Mellifiq eliminated 100% of hydrogen sulfide emissions from Leksand Wastewater Treatment Plant, improving working conditions for employees and reducing the environmental impact. Watch how a groundbreaking solution transformed the plant to an odor-free facility. The Leksand Wastewater Treatment Plant manages wastewater from the municipality of Leksand and its neighboring areas. Originally built in the 1960s, the plant has undergone multiple renovations and enhancements throughout its history. In 2015, an expansion of the plant was initiated to increase its capacity. However, the expansion resulted in elevated levels of hydrogen sulfide, a foul-smelling, toxic, and corrosive gas that can be harmful to humans and disruptive to the surrounding environment. Hydrogen sulfide is a widespread issue in wastewater treatment plants, and while activated carbon filters are a common solution, they often prove costly and demand frequent maintenance. The Leksand Wastewater Treatment Plant opted for a different approach, a multi-stage air treatment solution designed, delivered, installed, and commissioned by Mellifiq. 2 high-performance Nodora CAT air filtration systems were installed to tackle the elevated hydrogen sulfide emissions using a regenerative catalytic process, while 3 high-performance Ozonetech RENA Pro systems were installed to provide additional ozone treatment ensuring zero odor emissions. But how do these systems work? Inlets positioned near the surface of the settling tanks guide the polluted air through ducts into the Nodora CAT system. Here, a chemical reaction with a regenerative catalytic media effectively degrades hydrogen sulfide, leaving no residual-free compounds, even at high concentrations. And opposed to activated carbon, the catalytic media is continuously regenerated by adding atmospheric oxygen. To ensure complete elimination of odor emissions, Mellifiq also installed Ozonetech RENA Pro systems. These systems produce highly concentrated ozone, which is injected into the ventilation ducts after the catalytic stage. Here, the ventilation system serves as a reaction chamber, breaking down any remaining pollutants, leaving nothing but water behind. The combined Nodora CAT and Ozonetech RENA Pro solution has proven to be very effective at removing hydrogen sulfide, resulting in 100% odor removal, even during high loads of wastewater. The multi-stage air treatment solution implemented at the Leksand Wastewater Treatment Plant is not only cost-effective, but also low-maintenance and highly reliable for the removal of organic sulfides, such as mercaptans and other odorous compounds. It offers exceptional flexibility, allowing it to match specific requirements and airflow volumes. And thanks to the easily replaceable cartridges of the filtration units, continuous operation is assured. With this groundbreaking solution, Mellifiq is once again raising the bar for the concept of clean.